enye adia efekra
latest development
they can recent events
right.
Enye adia efe and also utie comment from their leaders are very disappointing because Sir Julius Malema in a nim say or no dear BBC can quite say so because a Ghana response I den Abba in say evacuity and crow for Abba Ghana idea and say and as I say to your boss and Sani aya na mentia say the crow pie actually abro okromo nim say Ghana for as Africans nibi ye bubi ku omo na ni twia police for gina opa na ye bon crofo na o maka oma no atum na o se still na ne nto ye bo ase na ye ntwen enye diplomacy na ke crofo nwu ansa nya ba evacuate oma na me ne nye den enya adwen na akokwa South Africa ya says anyoma free because omu penye ye na nim no Nelson Mandela or you be a even United Nations website is an advocate for national peace and unity.
There's
asumdue no de ono and the political
Nelson Mandela
party yes ono akrom South Africa sa anyoma we akoso enenya baako ade ade bia den ekoso mesre say omumpanimfo nye den enhwe na emranya adwuma okrom ho because omfan hwe omutirimu say enye omunkwa na wabufuo ana enye omunkwa na betimi atietia nkrofo fa ahodie so womususu nationals ewo kro bia so bia yes ono so de mra hwe ni nsem enye ade ebe den ebe efe
but it's Nigeria ashase even within their parliament Omani abrepa they want the South Africans to leave especially omo companies and then citizens no so no in fact some of them suggest later will be play bia my omo Nigeria no omo so ebia kowura MTN office and other way omo pese these people too should leave.
I don't support this act. Okay. The fact that South Africa for NHS say also obi so din ho ye den ejim adana make sa answer investor beba kro bia mu no onyoma ohwe first one is security.
Okay.
It's na South Africa for ya ade ebufuo be kwa say ye bi etie omo. But China ni bi oti baby on person be invest. Arab ni bi oti baby on person be invest in Ghana no and Nigeria no. Ohwe sa anyoma we be ka say country emunjo. So on fan sika anye den. Emba the American say if there are any ways to get back at South Africans it should be diplomatic. And they said the Nigeria parliament Oma shemra no more restricted some privileges as South African companies any citizens of Nigeria be benefit here. And then the Oma nka say crew and omo ye den wo mo hyehyɛ mmra no meni omo nye den meni omo ya adwen wo ho na emom se mabunu no be hye omo nsem se omo ko South African companies akwa sa anyoma ne bi de me gi this Africa ya pass anyoma we ho
right. So Nelson Mandela nani vision pa for that country South Africa ne den
ono about within the time Nelson Mandela ye say obe tunu ho asi wa akwa ma oman South Africa no no mo na ma dear friend apartheid mu. Okay. Now apartheid abrofo na romo South Africa na ye de 88 omo fa ahodie so
no mu hu South Africa be before no so omo ye moa so omo nye nipa kra
enti ade na ahometi enti African countries ni bebre Nelson Mandela ho say omo ye de omo beboa ama ometime anya omo fa ahodie na omo nya omo fa ahodie up till now abrofo ni bi da so ye den e wo krom ha even as ye ka say South Africans ni bi ntimi nye den endi omo ho ye eni nti ehwe omo tiri say edwuma kakra say nka omo nsa ka no amanfra for so aba ho ye den eji firi omo nsem but do hwe nyoma ye pa akokọ enye sa na tie because South Africa for na nka say omo hwe omo videos be bro omo ya omo admit say omo recover free apartheid ni mu ade enko so ye den edi omo nya enti say omo anhwe anka once oba odi omo ni Jacinta ono admit say or the bitterness na yes ade no because on you know hu say omame ne Nigeria ni bi etia oba omame no yebu ni ye den e fa so it was a hatred ne the South Nigeria for tie ne the obe lead this kind of activism aye den e wo kru ana maka no sa nyoma we na so e show mutrum say omunkwa na wabufu a African country bia o mabu na omuso bi ebu betimi aye den efu timi nyini say going for sa nyoma say ye den e koso akokwa e den na be ma Ghana ni aka so free kroma right ye kromo hadwo pa asumdue wa ha e die mpa na be ma Ghana ni adi sa nyoma we na ato nchen so o ye o free kromo a e ya de baako okosiki greener pasture
right
o ba ye kromo ha enyuma ho nsema ye den e den na even oko Forbes kra na akokwa world richest rank African richest ranking ya e wo Forbes unya Ghana ni o ye first 10 e den ewum it tells us say nyoma bia enye den enye nneɛma ne say government bi enu a obetimi aka say government bi buy say as part of the developmental plan for the country no or share that to who say or build billionaires and a rich men no kro we mu ye hu sa ade no
ehu hia pa
obi aba you see that's about political witch hunt. Now I there what targeting the opponent business view or there or no collapse no. And san your money and your break Ghana economy na say. Awokwa ohwe board isu a Africa ha ye penipa 10 or more sika say them di kind you di kind Nigeria ni which is Aliko Dangote. The net worth $28 billion US.
Right.
Your also South African.
Okay.
Johan Rupert and family. Also there is $16.1 billion.
Right.
And to say what they can we cry nipa 10 yi cry na. Utimi say oh my Ghana ye ni jina bi obi
first 10 no see Nigeria, South Africa, Nigeria, South Africa, Egypt, Nigeria, Egypt, South Africa, Egypt, South Africa. And first 10 no can say South Africa do sum. And enye nwanwa say esikafo o sa kru nim tie den a enwuma no obetumi abia ebe Ghana fo na ni so mbekọ akọpa adwuma ya asu ase yeah.
And you say otumi fo otumi wa oro ka wa fo wa beti.
Right.
South Africa fo nyoma mu ye na no enye so mu nim say ye ntimi enye bi ntiom ye ba Ghana ha MTN South African company.
Right.
Bank B to Stanbic Bank, South African company. DSTV, a South African company. But I go quite impact as our companies we Anglo Gold Ashanti, a South African company. Goldfields, Ghana, and also a South African company. Absa Bank, a South African company. ShopRite, and no matter to say, oh my day, or my Tom shares a headache, and you confirm there. Name some companies we now a South African companies or more Ghana.
Multi-choice.
Almost a South African company. I go quite hard here. Yeah, share data who board issue.
Facebook, this is the data on one more ejumedi omudi.
Employment are generating for Ghana based on these companies.
Wow.
Now Anglo Gold Ashanti was 7,000.
Wow.
Employment on creating Ghana direct employment. Goldfields Ghana is also 7,000 direct employment.
I don't know. Yeah, the free South Africa and Ghana for.
Ebi majority Ghana for yes anya bi omo benya omo so nkro for kakra omo head department ni bi
ba omo be kakra
bi ba dodo na Ghana for yen hwe MTN Ghana and also direct employment 2,360 na MTN Ghana nko say ye hwe opportunity no omo de amaye even with momo vendors nko indirect employment nko bebre kwa and omo de ayeden aba o man Ghana mu Stanbic Bank so 1,885 Absa Bank and so 750 ShopRite is 650 MultiChoice at 300 and a Brogan or real estate company also 150. Now these are major South African companies that work Ghana. Yeah, employment the idea Ghana for I quite hard here. Yeah, Ghana. Ghanaian companies that work Ghana ha. Yeah, employment idea Yediaman Crawford. Yeah, Fidelity Bank. Engineers and planners or 1,500 direct jobs. Now Omni Basic and no banks me consolidate your then now and also 829 despite groups 650 First Atlantic Bank 600 I go kwa chat ma unya Ghanaian company ba ko kra na otimi match the strength of any South African company or Ghana in terms of employment.
Because we 7,000 and that's 2,000 a week and yeah, I mean it's less than that.
And there's a problem. I see a problem in the same. I go and your mamienu. Yet me mufone suban ka ho.
Okay.
Secondly, leaders MY NMD can say ye nye deliberate say ye dey ye promote Ghanaian businesses. Ye nye deliberate say ye dey ye boa ma Ghana for adwuma ye den akoso. Akokwa timemu for ye dey ka won ne say ene Ghana ni bia adwuma na ofa ne yonko Ghana ni ehye ni trim say businessman na ye awie. So no kono car businessman nto ye no so ye den. Okoto in 1 month and then I saw ye na nebusuafo so no so nyame nhira bi ye den e won so and sa nyoma we cripple businesses.
Wow.
Me ankasa me a victim of sad yewi. And say anjai sa nyoma anti ase say so only obi ye adwuma enye sika na hu no company na na ene dia ebi wa ye bosia na nipa na kwaye den akobo.
Yeah. And the idea ebinum be wi.
Enti ankasa ye suban ye den eka ho and the bu other investors so abem say okay me was coming na me fan ko bi adwuma ne wi me and me ni sika betu baabi na there either so better stocks na faso kakra be ba no ide odidi ho
especially say wo ye bibini a we bi adwuma onimi say odo ohini bi be ba dwantoa anaso obenya sofo bi abadwantoa bo ye bruni adwuma ontumi nya sa no man because bruni ni de onyi jantoa ntum
obechela tumunti now akokwa they come who politicians
right
emboa and they say say kromu have any businessman be politically affiliated because yes have to serve the interest indirectly now yeah man akoye say one call for me any association and also one tactical wadwuma political party be ba obesofa yeah wo ha na yete say there was a reform in our banking sector Emma Ghanaian businesses ni bi hu ye den now enna ye ka say ebi say ekoso ya a Ghanaian man no setting up the industry ya o say ono de obebo ama ya hu nidie hu nsema ye den akonkan no now the company collapse e wo Kumasi ha ye ka ho asemi now company ain't me nya hwe kra no it's me for nipa 600 direct jobs in Kwa direct jobs in Kwa 600 ye jama company we say because nipa kwa company ni ene die onye affiliated to the current administration enti nyo maybe I see ye duboa no ama na adwuma ne sustainable ne yenye na be de na company ono no so e Ghana ni wadwene ya ho ne die hu nsem ho oboasi a facility like K-Cap abebe si Kumasi na K-Cap for almost 4 years o matimi aye adwuma ye ntwe omuka
I think
Zuba kan ye sika ye sika ye say yes ade ba be ye pe 6 million euros aba be another land site ade ayede agigi nru ne de egu akokwa asa nyoma we na ye ya emwaye because ene na ebie de ye K-Cap CEO no ochina meti wona mi oska enye obi na esi sa company ye esi we ya tena ho amane ye den egu no now meme na menya den me san ko ye den emran fa mi sika mba me shemu sa be si
this is the company
wow yeah Jaima na say
infrastructure
and omo ko South Africa imagine say me nka say that say ko eye adwuma automatically
and can bet me up 5,000 to 2,000
and our company bet me around 24 hours and the policy current administration it's add then at now am egu
24-hour economy no kranka win between ye dani re ni sa
adene
e bi ba no pa wi anwumre
sa pepepe na unim otse sa kwan no so oti kwan no so a from bust eto da tricycle seat me the pack free bust e ko oti landfill because omunya ba bi ntu bolengu
seriously
omunya ba bi nya den entu bolengu te se Ghana ni atimi atunu ho asi ho I saw the ISA adwuma we I build a company we dey asiwa and na say etena ho man say
it's true Adomako yen wrap up we know is unfortunate. I know say you were a lot on the Ghanaian businesses and how you bit me aboa masa you youth no one more a free mu koni ade bit me sustain. We'll continue within next week na briefly fa eno end my akaya break akra bi na many abedwafo medin
akokwa de meka che mabunu a wa han say ye da achi kra yan yensem
right
so bi bia adwuma na o ma opportunity aban onu point mi enwuma ni na ma enya enwuma anye den enye eye private individuals ya na be kwa akọ bia adwuma ma wanya bia ye ti so bi bia adwuma na so onsa ka bi ya fa no kwaridie eye den ebo na adwuma ne nkoso adwuma ne koso etena wo okrum ene South Africa for say yembra ekrum mehyehe na omo kra no omo kasa asemi omo companies e wo ha hwe benefit omo ye den yenya free omo and yet me this ho fama na ye dey ma these foreign companies or Ghana ye did the same thing in my local companies are ye be strive it and here say ye be because akokwa adwuma de be ma Ghana ni wo no akom so onye no ya obeka so onye no otu kwan ya say adwuma no ba akwa
yeah it's true. Meda say Adomako area Adomako analyst or sanso a cyber security expert and Otenenka on that delivery on South Africa issues Ekoso in Juma Semno how we will handle it a bit me aboy he has a lot to deliver today but me catch you yeteko inti ebreno I kakrebi but we will continue next week follow ye Kruimu and Sem and all the others yebema other data ewo hwa on say ashoke kakra